daghan kay gulay. Bananas. Ang bananas. Oh. Where's the lake? What is this? Walk here inside. Oh. Can you video me? Video me. Video me. I'm gonna walk to the farm.
Careful, there's spider webs. Careful, there's spider webs. Everywhere, just you can't see it. There's strawberries there. Oh, there's a big sunflower. I'm not gonna like it.
Hi, sunflower! Oh, video. Ay, pang vlog ko.
Is there any strawberries?
Taasa, taasa. Pataasa.
Nay?
Makita sa kamera ang kamot.
Baba, na. Patapon.
Kaya mo tayo.
Halabo.
Where's strawberries? Where's strawberries?
O, see?
I thought it was strawberries.
Big farm. Ganay gawin niyo hapon at tuwan tilder. Oh,
Where's strawberries?
Kapigan ikaw mag-anak ikaw kapit.
si Kuwati.
This is my seatbelt.
Sa tuwa siguro kita agi boy. Layo ay kita boy. Ay nagkalibot. We will ride a horse.
Yeah.
Oh, tingin. Wow! Nice plant.
Kato dito wala na bunga. Look, oh. It's a lettuce. See?
I like lettuce. I like lettuce.
Naging kanina nice oh, tambal ni ba? It's purple.
Tambal lang siya. Ngayon pagkuha na. Pag
Lettuce.
lettuce pagkuha no. Let's say.
Lettuce. Tulibutan na to. Pine trees. Hoy! Duyuay na ka mo. Dali na ra. Wow! Layo na kaya mong gilakawan. Ma! Buyag. Hello, mother! Wow! So careful here. This is the trail mark. Wow! There's a playground here. Woo! Pasukay lamang. Ganda ng here. Windmill lang.
Swing to the two.
Swing ta.
But I'm gonna be at the left one.
And this is not hot. It's not hot. It's not hot, una. Ay, mabasa ako. Wow! Ang ganda ng sky.
a house. It's my house. My house is here.
Wow! May bitin. Let's tatay. You go inside there? Maybe there's... Wow, there is orchids. Tumbata na. Ikaw na pa yun. See? Human ani, let's eat the taho strawberry.
Oh, there's bananas here.
Yeah.
What's this, by the way?
Yeah. What is in there?
Nothing nice.
Ah, another camping area here to sit down. Do not enter daw.
May white horse dito na ko. See?
Gani. White horse.
Dito na, ate. Tagap.
Brimmo farms.
Papa ang white na may konto ni brown ug nasa head na white. Tagap. Kita na ko. Tara, kita na ko na white horse.
Nay kano.
Kaya hay.
Say hi. Hello, white horse.
Hi horse.
Hey, horse.
Big horse. Red horse.
Ito na, ride horse. Diri po doon, indot diri magpa-picture, Nicole. Pa-picture ta diri.
Kapag na kung sige picture. 2 days, Nicole. 2 days. 1,000 days na ta sige picture.
Because we're not always to come here. See, look at that. What is that? Indot dito, oh, may swimming. May swimming? Swing.
May bawal.
Si bawal, no, not bawal. Ano ba di si bawal diri? Oh, nag-ride na ang horse. See? Naunahan ta.
I wanna ride a horsey. I wanna ride a horsey. I wanna ride a horsey.
Oh, bimwa.
I wanna...
Napay available horse? Let's go, but night the white. Come on, let's go. Tira mo na ta.
The little horsey's gone.
Ano pa?
Kulang na lang 4-5.
Oh.
Si Cardo Dalisay.
Dali isa, kuya. Ayaw sa back sa horse, ha? Oo. Gunitin yung video ni Mama Inday niyo. Dili ka dito sa kuana, ana lang. Ana lang. Taro nga ana,
Muhulog. Oh.
Hindi ka magpanir sa back sa horse, ha?
Okay. Yep. Ew, poop.
Dito ka una. Dito una.
Dito sa bayo.
Dari una, diri. Pizza for face.
Hi guys.
Guys, welcome to Bimwa Farm. And we're riding horse.
Look ko. Okay, dari dalam ko.
Hello.
Say hi for the video.
Horse, uy.
Basing bug aton.
Papa Nicole po, si Papa Nicole. Diyan na ka, magstay na ka diha. Diyan na ka, magstay.
Una. Ano dito na kami.
Dito na una.
No.
Sarap na ka. Okay. Na-video pa?
Apa. Never stop this video. Never stop this video.
Mag-lisod naman yan. Magkakuan. Okay na, i-stop na na.
Isap na ko ang video.
Ayaw na lang.
Look at the butt. Look at the farm. So beautiful.
Di mo ka. Dugay na ni. Yes, ma'am. Nilagay niyo. This is 11 years. Here.
The poop.
Sayang. We came here for the strawberry. And the strawberry is gone.
Yeah.
Put it up your video. Kung ano nakita ko. Unsa?
Nakilan.
Naganta mo mga video sa ina naman. Taga mga video sa Indonesia. Oh my god. Oh no. May gamay ka man ba? May gamay tao na.
Say goodbye to the horse. Wish me luck. Wish me luck.
Wow. Uy, may akong video, taga video na. Salamat, God, you. Yes, success.
Sakto na nga. Mga day. 4 minutes.
Grabe.